friends, welcome to this session. This session is going to be very interesting for all the boys out there. So especially boys, pay attention because I have picked something very interesting from my kitty to let you know or to explain you. What is that? If you have seen on the board, how to talk to girls. First time. Yes, I said first time. All the fearness, all the scariness you carry when you need to speak to any girl first time, especially when you like her or definitely you like her, then only you intend to talk any girl whom you need to speak. So first attempt brings lots of things, lots of feelings in your mind and in your heart. So here I have prepared few points, or you can say I have made few segments that have been divided in 3 parts, which you need not to follow strictly. But if you'll mention it in your behavior, definitely you are going to take the ball in your court. So what are these segments? That are starting a conversation. How do you start the conversation with the girl first time? Next is making her feel special, which is also very important. And third thing, keeping her interested. Right. So first thing, which is here, starting a conversation. Definitely, you need to talk to your girl. So starting a conversation is very important. First thing, or first point, which I have written here, catch her eye. Now, catch her eye? Do you think that you're going to hold with your fingers her eye, or you're gazing at her eyes? No, that doesn't mean. It means that you are showing your presence before that particular girl whom you really like her. Do you believe in love at first sight? I do believe in that. So, if you look at any girl at first sight with a neat intention, I'm telling you, with a neat intention, just to show her that you're really willing to talk to her, or you're really willing to have a good and healthy relationship with her, you're trying to catch her eye, it means that you looked at her, you smiled very slightly, and you showed your presence before her. Suppose if you know that girl already, but you have never made any conversation with that girl, so you are looking at her, waiting for a few seconds and going directly to her to talk. You can say, "Hi, I'm Akhil. How are you?" So, if you're knowing that girl already, it means that you must be knowing her name also. So, you can mention her name in your initial conversation. Definitely, she will reply you back. Alright? Or if anybody else, or there is any common friend between both of you, so you can go along with your friends and he will introduce both of you, right? And after that, the further conversation will go on and all the butterflies in your stomach will start flying here and there, and you have to catch all of them very seriously. Next is introduce yourself. Definitely, this is the part after that. Like I said, when you showed your presence by looking at her, just go directly to her and say, "Hi, my name is Akhil. How are you, Mona?" So, in this way, you're introducing yourself directly. Yeah, it may sound a bit old school, but mature people actually follow the same rule. Yeah. Otherwise, I said like that if you're having any common friend between both of you, just take him or her along with you and he will make the introduction between both of you with your names, right? So here it is ending. Be yourself, which is very, very important. Being a girl, I'm telling you that being yourself, especially when you are willing to talk to any girl, is how much important. Don't be heroic when you are talking to a girl first time. If you're a fan of Salman Khan or anybody else, Hollywood or Bollywood movie, and you're trying to copy some iconic heroic kind of activity, you're showing your body postures like, oh my god, stretch your chest and looking up, and like, oh my god, nobody is existing like me on this earth. So you are giving a bad body gesture to that girl. You're not showing like you hero kind of, right? Because you're trying to copy someone. Be yourself is completely meant with your internal feelings and habit. If you're witty, show your wittiness. If you're humorous, just crack jokes and talk something like that you are, especially if you're serious. So be intensive, talk something serious topic or something like that. Whatever you are. Like my nature is, if I'm talking about myself, being a girl, I'm kind of bubbly and talkative girl. You must have guessed that from my sessions, right? So I always carry my nature. I know my restrictions that what I need to speak. But I cannot copy somebody else to show my impression on other. I just make it clear that what I am, I will behave in that manner also. Suppose if I am giving you lessons through the sessions, I never try to copy anybody else. If you like me, the way I tell you, the way I teach you, so that's nice, because if I'm trying to copy somebody else, probably people would not like my sessions. So I'm trying to be myself. Same rule applies when you are talking to a girl first time. Smile. Overdoing a smile is showing like you're crazy and madman. Overdoing of this is actually prohibited. So just a smile. Don't only stretch your lips. Smile with a sweet intention. And I tell you, if you have a beautiful intention in your heart and your mind is clear that I need to impress that girl very sweetly, so your smile will be very beautiful and natural. Next one is stay away from personal stuff. Yes, staying away from personal stuff in the initial conversation, please avoid asking a girl about her very personal things. That may be like, do you have a boyfriend? Oh my god, do you think that this is the right question? Or suppose you're talking, how old are you? This is the worst question in this world to talk any girl, to ask any girl. Can you imagine that you are asking this question? Don't ask about the age of a girl, or suppose where she lives, what is her address. Oh, can you please give me your phone number? I have this kind of work. She will feel like this, that don't you have anybody else in the world that you would contact and ask this particular thing? No. So you need to avoid asking about these personal stuff which she does not want to reveal you in the initial meeting. Last is in this segment, open with her light topic. Yeah. What the light topic can be? It could be very interesting. The light topic could be something which is happening around you. Any event which you both attended together, any kind of party, or suppose what kind of weather is going around you. If you are traveling together, the kind of traffic is around you. Anything could be, light topic, light conversation can be between both of you. Because if you are actually following this, I'm telling you that no heavy conversation is going to lead for the long. So starting at a light note, at a light conversation is actually very, very important. Now, I will pick the next one. Making her feel special. When you have met that girl, you have exchanged your names, now the conversation can go on the board. What you need to make her feel very, very special, and that is find common grounds. To take the conversation on the flow, to take the plane on the high note, what you need, actually you need some common ground between both of you. Between both of you, you need some particular topics that you could talk about and exchange or share opinions. Right? So, what find common ground? What common grounds can be between two people? It can be movies, it can be music, it can be dance, it can be any common hobby. Suppose if you both are having any common pets, then anything can be common between both of you. Or it can be about computers, mobile, or any other gadget. So, if you find that these things are common between both of us, you can share or talk about the views about them. Right? Now, next one is make eye contact while you are talking. Now, when I say make eye contact, this rule applies at a lot of places. I have mentioned you earlier also that when you're going to give an interview, make proper eye contact. When you're talking to someone, make proper eye contact. But here, make eye contact doesn't mean that again you are keep on gazing at the girl. No, make eye contact. When we say make eye contact, it doesn't mean watching eye to eye. No, it doesn't mean that. It means that from your eyes, you are covering the face of the girl or the person you are talking to. Right? You're not mentioning or looking right, left, up or down. So that is what is meant. Make eye contact while you are talking. That will actually help you to concentrate what she's telling you or what you need to convey to her. Next is express interest in her thoughts and opinions. Before you go on talking to her, before you start your conversation, it is very important to find out if the girl is actually a good listener or she's very talkative like I am, right? So, whatever she is, if suppose she is a very good, talker, she likes to talk a lot, she likes to express her opinion a lot. So, it is your duty and responsibility that you express your interest in her opinion, in her conversation, what she says you, and how you will express your interest, how she will find that you are actually expressing your interest. You are acknowledging her. Whatever she's telling you, actually, you are acknowledging her by saying, yes, I agree, you are telling right, or really it happened. By using such kind of small phrases, you are actually acknowledging her thoughts and opinions, or in between, you can relate some examples also what she is saying to yourself. In such way, she will find, wow, he's actually taking interest in what I'm saying. Give her a compliment. Now, this is a big task which every boy has to do and how to do, right? I know, but I reveal you a secret. Girls are really very smart. They can differentiate. I can also do. That's why I'm telling you. Girls are actually very smart in differentiating that what is the exact difference between compliment and flirt. So, if your intentions are really clear, so I would suggest you that you can compliment about her clothes, smile, about her fashion sense, whatever is external things, right? But along with it, so far, by talking her a lot and a lot, you must have known that actually what are the things you can actually compliment. Suppose if she's giving an opinion about the social things about any particular topic, so you can give a compliment about opinions and expressions also. But as well as if you're telling me, being a girl, I tell you very honestly that Anukrita, you are very well dressed and you're looking pretty today. Very slightly and honestly, I really want mine. I won't abuse you back. I won't tell you just get lost from you. No. I would smile. Definitely, I will have a sense in my mind that the boy is trying to flirt with me. But I would love it if you are stating these statements in a very beautiful and slight manner. So I tell you, girls, never ever mind if you compliment her for her appearance or looks or hair or smile, anything what she is carrying, very honestly and slightly, and you can do that. I allow you. Alright, ask her about her studies. This is a very general thing or very common thing. If you're not getting any intense topic to talk between both of you, we can talk about her academic studies or any professional studies also she's doing or she has done. It will also help you to keep your conversation flaming on. Now, don't tease the girl until she understands your sense of humor. Right here, I have mentioned you that be yourself. If you're witty, if you're humorous, just show your humor. Just bust out and make her laugh. But here again, I'm suggesting you that your humor does not allow you to tease a girl. Suppose she's wearing glasses and you are teasing, oh my god, look at your nose, your glasses are falling on your nose. Oh, your hair is like something. You're relating her with something very funny. So you're teasing that girl. So if she doesn't understand your humor, she has met you very first time, definitely you have chosen the wrong path and you cannot impress that girl, right? So here it is very important. Don't tease a girl or don't give such kind of statement to that girl if she has not understood your humor so far. Alright, jumping on the third segment. What is that? Keeping her interested. Am I keeping you interested in such kind of topic? Similarly, you have to keep her interested. How? First thing, crack her up. What does it mean, crack her up? Crack her up means make her laugh. Do something funny as she would enjoy your company. See, in our life, lots of stressful and tensionful things are actually going on. And if the girl is actually liking your company, she's laughing, she's smiling, she's having a light moment with you. So, cherry on the cake, what else can be better to build a beautiful relationship with her? So, cracking her up means doesn't mean that you please avoid reading or expressing Santa Banta jokes or such kind of regular jokes which comes with a beep on your mobile. Please don't do that. Cracking her up means just to tell any kind of sweet or funny memories related to your life, your family, your friends, any kind of situations that you have gone through which was very funny and anybody loves listening about that, right? So when you will use the right humor, right? Then she will actually laugh and she will also tell you some stories related to her life which will be very light and beautiful. So in this way you will be successful in cracking her up and making her smile and she will enjoy your company. Don't try too hard. In this meeting, are you trying that, oh my god, this is my first and last meeting, let her come in my bag and she will be mine forever? No. Don't go on your knees like you're begging. Don't try too hard. She will guess it. Again, I'm telling you, girls are actually very smart. If you're trying very much hard, just keep her in contact, she will recognize it and probably she may be disinterested in you. Keep up your confidence. Here, it is very important just you go on with the conversation with the right path. Like suppose if you two people are talking, avoid silence because once you have maintained the silence, your confidence level may go on. Suppose the girl on the other side, she's quite shy. She cannot talk so much, right? So definitely you have to take the responsibility of carrying the conversation in the right manner. And for that you have to take care not maintaining a big silence between both of you so that you could carry your confidence level up and up and up. Stay relaxed and positive, right? How you can do that? Staying relaxed and positive. This is a very common phrase. But in this meeting, staying relaxed and positive actually can come out by making a positive behavior. I tell you, if you're talking about all the negative things have happened around you, sorry, this is not the right place and she's not the right person to speak anything negative right now. Maybe once you're having a very beautiful relation with each other, so you can give yourself a permission to talk her about the negative things you have got in your life. But right now you have to be positive and you have to be relaxed, right? So making a positive conversation here is actually very, very important. Next is, don't lie just to impress her. You will say, little visit is permitted. No, I would say nothing is permitted because, yes, if you're going to have a strong relationship, who knows that what kind of relationship you both are going to share because she's a girl and you're a boy, right? So later she can catch you up with such kind of lies you have said to her and definitely no relationship will be there for them or there will be backbitings with both of you. So doing this is crossed exit gracefully. Should I take a graceful exit? No, not still. I would suggest one very important thing in this segment that what does it mean exit graceful? Definitely you cannot make a long time conversation once you are making conversation with a girl for the first time. So leaving the place or saying a bye on a very good note is very important. Boys, I tell you, if you're really interested, if you really want that girl in your life, if you really want to have a healthy friendship, so give her your number. Go on. Have faith, have confidence. If she's really interested, if she has loved your company, right? Because if you will let her feel that how much you loved to meet her, talking to her, how much it was really good opportunity having a meet with her. So probably, who knows, she would call you back. So first thing I would suggest you, give her number very gracefully, that if you need any time, you can call me. If there are chances that you're not going to see her again, but if there are chances that you're in the same college, in the same office, and you will meet again and you will talk again, so wait for some time to give your contact number, or wait for the time till she asks your number. But if the situation is something like that, you're not going to meet her anywhere, anytime again, so give her your number. And ask her to join for any particular event which is going to occur in your college, in your office again. So you can say that we will catch up again, something like that, right? And create interest and curiosity in her mind so that she could meet you again, or she would love to meet you again. So taking a good exit, grateful exit, actually is a very good initiative to make relationship better and better and better. But it is also important as well that when to take exit, right? Probably you could have a guess that while talking to her, she will see here and there, up and down, watching at her, watch regularly or work her clock regularly, and she is very much busy in her mobile. So you should understand that the girl is not taking interest in your conversation, and now this is the right time to take exit from you. Probably she will be loving to meet you next time, or next time she will come to you to talk directly. But right now, this is the time that you should leave from there and say bye. So this is a time when I should take a graceful exit, and I hope that I have expressed you, explained you this session and this important deed of your life, all you boys there, that how you should actually behave, how you should actually perform once you are going to meet any girl for the first time. Again, I would like to state all the boys there, be yourself, actually introspect that what the best you can carry from your heart and mind to pour, to tell, to express to that girl, right? Then only you can carry, or you can, maintain a good relationship with her, and be neat and clean with your intentions. I tell you, you will definitely achieve your goal, right? So that's all for now. I hope you must have understood what I tried to explain you, and if any of you will successful in achieving a goal, I would be very happy.